Hey everyone, welcome to Sherry Chrysler. Come on in, let's take a peek at this all new 2021. This is a Ram Laramie Night Edition 3500 with the 6.7 liter Cummins engine. That's the high output. What that means for you is 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, 400 horsepower, and just an unbelievably capable truck. So let's start in the front and we'll go around the outside of this vehicle and take a look at all the nice features on it. So this being flame red and the Night Edition, it's got painted to match accenting, both the red and then the black as well. Really makes for a really unique and hot looking truck here. Up front here we have the LED headlights that really make this front end complete. Down below here there is some safety features. This does have the front parking sensors, and in a big truck like this, that's super handy to have when parking. Coming around the side, has painted to match black accenting on the wheels here. Cummins badging here, and your 3500 badging for the pickup truck. This is a crew cab pickup, which gives you the largest cab in the rear here, a ton of room back here. Also has built-in storage on both sides in the floor for kind of hideaway storage, and also doubles as a cooler if you need it. We'll get more of the inside here in a second. This is the dual rear wheel, 8-foot long bed. So this is the long bed. Notice how the fender's all one piece now in these new Rams. Coming around to the rear, we've got Laramie badging, Ram badging, all black accented. Also even notice the taillights here. Kind of have some black accenting in the taillights, really looks hot. Now the Laramie is going to be one of the top trim levels you're going to find in the Ram pickup trucks. Have rear parking sensors back here. Also you have your Class 5 receiver for towing here. This pickup truck's rated to tow over 34,000 pounds. That's due to that high output motor. You also have factory wiring here. You have your 4-pin wiring for your small trailers, and then for your big trailers you have your 7-pin round. That's going to be hooked to your electronic brake controller that comes with this pickup truck. Now there is a couple backup monitors here. We have one right here that's going to shoot down and help you hook up your trailer, and you also have one that overlooks the bed of the truck, which we'll show you when we get inside. This is 4-wheel drive, and check this out. Has a remote release tailgate. That's a dampening. Notice how nice and slow it goes down. I did that with the keyless entry. Now also on the keyless entry, you're going to be able to remote start your vehicle as well. You know, it's nice with this particular truck because it's probably going to be too big to fit in a typical garage. So if you do need to park it outside on a cool morning, it's nice to be able to remote start that. Now in the bed of the truck has factory spray-in bed liner. Again, the 8-foot bed. Also this comes with the Ram 30,000-pound fifth wheel hitch. Now that hitch is top of the line and it fits in the puck system that's provided by Ram. Now that puck system can also have a goose ball added to it, so there's a lot of different features. And what's super nice about that, there's 4 tractor pins and that whole hitch will pull out and you have a nice flat bed again. Now over here there is factory wiring for your gooseneck and fifth wheel trailers. So you're going to have your 7 round and even a 4 flat as well. And then also back here there's a 400 watt 115 volt power outlet for, you know, a whole bunch of different items you could use in that. Just a normal power outlet, 400 watt, it's a big wattage there. Now the payload, so that's the amount of weight you can put in the bed of this truck over the axles, is over 5,000 pounds. And that's due to not only the heavy duty suspension, but this also has the Ram air suspension over the rear. So that air suspension is going to keep this truck nice at a nice level, so it won't sag once you add weight to the back of this truck. All right, let's go ahead and jump inside this truck and take a look at some of the really cool features that make this truck just unbelievable. All right, let's go take a look. All right, come on in. Let's take just an overview of the inside of this Laramie truck. Being a Laramie, you're going to get leather wrapped seats. the front dash here, just a lot of nice high-end touch and feels in here. Now, before I get too far in depth, I do want to mention we do offer factory direct pricing on these new Rams. So whether you're here in Ohio or maybe all the way out in California, give us a call. We'd love an opportunity to earn your business. Also, we offer a couple nice features on our website to make the buying process more smooth to you. We offer financing right online, where you can fill out the finance application to figure out what kind of terms and rate you qualify for. Also, if you have a trade-in, we pay top dollar for trade. We have a lot of nice used trucks, and the reason we have them is because we pay really good money for them. So if you have a trade-in looking to upgrade for something like this, there's a form below as well for that. All right, let's get into the truck here. So this truck is going to have a lot of nice equipment here, and I'm just going to kind of start here on the left and we'll work our way over. So we have full power windows. The mirrors themselves are also power pull in. So if you're parking in that tight spot, maybe you're at the Walmart or whatever, you can fold those mirrors in so no one's going to hit them. Also, they are the tow mirrors, so they're going to flip out manually. If you're towing that big fifth wheel behind you, you're going to be able to see around it. Power windows and all that, of course, power locks. Now here on the steering wheel, it's going to have a couple nice things. You've got adaptive cruise control, which is the cruise control where you set the speed limit, and then when someone slows down in front of you, it's automatically going to register that. Also, you have gearing control here, so if you're in the mountains and you need to shift down or whatever, you can do it right here at your thumb. Now there is some hidden buttons on these Rams. Behind here you have volume and tuning for your radio, so it's just nice to be able to do it all right here and keep your eyes on the road and you're not so focused over here. All right, so right here we have your four-wheel drive selector. Just easy push button on the fly controls there. Now this is the center focus of this truck. This is the 12-inch color touchscreen radio infotainment center, and it does a lot. It has your typical functions, AM, FM, and Sirius radio, but on top of that, it also has a lot of your comfort controls. You can control your heated seats, heated steering wheel. This truck is also equipped with vented seats up front here, all right here. Also, you can do your backup camera options here. I mentioned there's two cameras in this, so you have your backup camera, and one thing a lot of people don't know on the standard backup camera, which pops up when you click on reverse, if you click this little magnifying glass, that'll shoot you a straight down shot onto your receiver. So if you're hooking up that trailer, you're going to be able to get the ball where it needs to be first try without going in and out of your truck 10 times. And then of course you have your secondary camera, which is in the bed of the truck. Got the view right there in the bed of the truck. So if you're hooking up that fifth wheel gooseneck, that's super nice to have. Okay. Also, you have your climate controls in here. This is going to have dual climate zones. It's automatic, so you can set the driver independently from the passenger. Does have navigation on here, and this also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. What that means is you plug your phone in through one of these USBs provided down here, and you're going to get your text messaging through your phone on your radio. You're going to get, maybe you use navigation apps such as Google or on your phone. You can have that up to date here, where you get up to date traffic and things like that right on here through your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Of course, you have phone controls where you can control it through Bluetooth and all that. Now down here, we have your factory brake controller. I mentioned that earlier. So when I push the brake of this truck, it's going to shoot a signal back to your electric brakes on your trailer, and you can control the intensity right here, and then it has your full stop right there when you squeeze it together. This does have adjustable trailer height, so where this truck, if you hit this button here, this is going to adjust the height of the bed of the truck to the ample height for towing a trailer. Really nice. You have your engine brake, and you also can turn on and off your front park sensors. Now this truck also comes with 6 auxiliary inputs, so if you want to add additional lights, maybe a winch, things of that sort, you can power them right here through the factory auxiliary power sources. So it just kind of makes your truck clean. You don't have a bunch of switches and stuff kind of screwed into the dash. So all around, really awesome truck. If you're looking for one, definitely take a look at these Cummins. They're tried and true on the Ram brand. You see a lot of people that put these trucks to work have over 1 million miles on these pickup trucks. That's just because of, it's just a proven system here. So really hard to go wrong. We appreciate you watching our video. My name's Mike. Brian's behind the camera, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Maybe we'll see you in the store. Thanks for watching, everyone.